Good evening. We're going to take a look here really quick at something I told myself I wasn't going to make, but this thing just worked out almost too perfect. So ordered this probably last week from Old World Artisans. It's a nice little aluminum storage tin. I was going to throw just Tinder in it, but I figured, there's a lot of room. Let's see what else I can fit in. So what I've got is the Hunter Orange aluminum, and I put my own little lanyard on it, and you can see the logo right there, and I'll put a link in the description where I picked this up from. But let's dig in. So it is waterproof. It's got a nice O-ring seal, and the first thing, as you can see, I've got it packed pretty good. Now this, I wanted to make kind of like a last ditch bottom of the pack fire kit. Very simple, not a whole lot going on, but enough to get a fire started. Biggest thing is use things that you trust. So we have the striker, a small but decent fire steel. I've already tested that, works great. And we have, from what I ordered a little while ago, got a piece here of waxed jute twine, and that was folded up with some extremely packed in lint that came from a piece that I got a while back. So this is enough to get a fire going as a last ditch. I could probably get a couple fires out of this. I can pull this apart, get a whole bunch, or just use it like a wick. So that's so far what's in there. And then I've got one other bit of tinder in here just because there's extra room. I could probably put some cotton in there as well. But what we have here is the inner strand of some of that para tinder, just rolled up. And of course, you can cut. You only really need about that much of it, and just untwirl it, make a little ball out of it, put it in with a little bit of this, couple strikes, boom, great fire. And there's plenty here. This is about a sort of 14, 18 inches worth. I know it's more than a foot. And again, I just rolled that up into there. And I could get more, or like I said, I could do some cotton or some more tinder, but this is just simple. It takes up little to no room at all. And again, I can just roll it and stick it up in the lid. And everything is dry. So, like I said, I was thinking I was either going to do some matches in there or just a whole bunch of the tinder. And I'm like, no, let's actually throw a sparking kit in there as well. So as you can see, rolling this all up to be able to get it all in there does take a little bit, but that fits in. And then throw that in that side, and striker right here. As you can see, tinder right there, and it just boom, good to go. Again, this is just something to throw in the bottom of a bag. I've got my fire kit. I've got a backup, 2 backup lighters that go with my cooking kit. And this can just go sitting in either a day pack or something like that. But love fire starters. I love canisters like this. It's just cool. And like I said, I was just going to put some tinder in there, but I decided might as well throw a fire steel and striker in there as well. So again, I'll put a link for the Old World Artisans, Old Growth Artisans. They got some really neat stuff. They got this in different colors, and they got some other stuff too. I did pick up one of their strikers, which, man, it works, but watch your fingers. It's easy to get cut. Worth going and checking out. So We'll see you guys later.